Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Let's start by gathering the necessary tools for this repair. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to the components. It's important to have a clean workspace as well. If you don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get started without any hassle. First, power down your Dell XPS and remove the battery. This ensures your safety while working on the device. Next, locate the screws on the back panel using your Phillips screwdriver. Carefully unscrew them and keep them in a labeled container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Be cautious not to damage any internal components during this process. After removing the back panel, inspect the internal components for any visible signs of damage or burnt areas that might indicate a short circuit. Now, let's focus on cleaning the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that has accumulated. This step is crucial as dust can lead to overheating and further complications. Make sure to hold the can upright and at a distance to avoid moisture accumulation. As you inspect the motherboard and other components, look for any discolored areas or components that might seem out of place. If you identify any damaged parts, you may need to replace them. For professional diagnosis without obligation, consider reaching out to experts who can assist you in identifying the problem. If you've found the damaged components, it's time to replace them. Make sure to order the correct parts specific to the Dell XPS model. Keep in mind that if you prefer not to handle the repair yourself, we offer a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect in terms of cost. While replacing components, ensure that you are grounded using the anti-static wrist strap. This will prevent any static discharge from damaging the new parts. Install the new components carefully, aligning them properly before securing them with screws. Remember, no calls, no travel, everything can be handled remotely and efficiently. Once everything is reassembled, double-check all connections and screws to ensure nothing is loose. Replace the back cover and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Finally, reconnect the battery and power on the device to test for functionality. If the laptop powers up and functions correctly, congratulations! You've successfully repaired the Dell XPS. If not, consider seeking professional help as sometimes the issues can be more complex than they appear at first glance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.